Welcome to Isocrats.app channel, a platform where you learn, measure, and grow. On this video, we will show a quick and simple way to solve the question.
Okay, we have seen two lines intersecting or three lines intersecting with each other so far. Does we ever thought of a line and a circle? If a line and a circle exist together, how it will be? And what are the results that we will get when we consider circle and a line are? We have a circle and a line. Okay. In the first figure, the line PQ, the straight line PQ doesn't touch the circle. If it doesn't touch the circle, then there will be no common point between them, and therefore there is no point of intersection between them. And if we consider the case where the line PQ intersects the circle at a particular point, that is, they are drawn outside the circle such that the line PQ intersects the circle at a point. So what happened to it? Okay, the line PQ intersects the circle at a single point A. And this line PQ is called the tangent to the circle A. And the point of intersection is 1. Okay, what will be the case when we draw the line PQ inside the circle? So if we draw the line PQ inside, that is, if it is inscribed in a circle, then the point of intersections will be 2, and they are namely A and B respectively. And this type of line PQ is called a secant to the circle, and the point of intersections will be 2. Okay. Have you ever heard of a word chord? If not, let us see what it is. Okay. The line segment AB that has been inscribed in the third figure, that is, we have a circle and we have a line PQ. This is our line PQ. And the point of intersections are A and B. Okay. We call the line PQ to be the secant of the circle. What do we call the line AB, that is the part from here to here? What do we call them? We call them to be the chord of the circle, and therefore chord is nothing but a subsection of a secant. Secant is nothing but the line PQ and chord is nothing but the line AB. So chord and secant are related to each other. Okay, then if a circle have a line that touches at a single point, that is, the point of intersection of the line PQ to the circle is, if it is at a single point, let it call us to be A. If this is the case, what do we call the line PQ? PQ is set as tangent. So we define tangent of a circle to be a line that touches the given circle at only one point, and we call that line to be a tangent. Okay.